Says it is a difference in lawn care companies here in Memphis and Shelby County. Herbie's system calls each and every customer after each and every application to make sure that your grass is greening up and the weeds are dying.
You guys okay?
Let's go! AM 790 and FM 104.3 HD2 The Ticket. Broadcasting live from the NHR and Levine Accident Attorney Studio. 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3733.
Looking for great music for your tailgate or barbecue? Go to the Odyssey app and download stations built for sports fans. Search for Black Voices and Inspiration, a tribute to the incredible Black artists. At BetMGM. Sign up today using bonus code DailyTip and get in the game with the king of sportsbooks. Tap into BetMGM's innovative parlay selection builders, live betting options, boosted odds.
Second left onto Rock Quarry Road.
To cover the rest of the floor, we're going to need about 30 times that much concrete.
Then we shall just have to figure out what we can do with 42 feet.
Are you
concrete? Kidding me? 9 feet, isn't it?
6 by 7, but not much of a difference, they said. What do you do with a room that...
and high communicative load. We could make an argument that Colonel Tanaka and her whole crew need to be in sensory deprivation.
Your kiss I need, The caption on the main page, I won't be locked in your cage.
Stop emergency deal.
Oh, hit it. Yep. Called it. Knew it. Called it.
Jesus, buddy.
Got it, Mr. Dash.
Before the unit out the door and drag on the pavement. The medicops are taking it easy, cruising down the middle lane, not above issuing a speeding ticket here and there, as long as they're in their jurisdiction. Motorists around them drive.
Oh, whoa. Oh my god.
Back in March. Looking back at it all, she knows she did this to herself, that she's responsible. But Bachman also thinks the casinos knew what she was doing better than she did, that they sat back and watched it happen. That's why she sued. Because of the terms of the settlement, Bachman and Caesar...
Stop.
In the absence of dental information,
Should have probably left.
Jen knew that any shoulders could prove helpful, since she could match the numbers to hospital records.
His name is Ryan Brad, and everybody just calls him Rye Brad, and he hates that, so that's why he's joined I'm writing down right now rule number 5 of Ether C: hominines love homonyms. I'm sorry, that's the end. Is rule number 5. God damn!
I drip up daily just so they can see. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear.
Man. Idiot.
Sometimes it's not things that are so visible on the outside.
I'm falling, I play it tough, you call my bluff, so shut me up till the morning. It's a rush that I don't trust, you look just like a warning. Do I push my luck or give it up? It's a drug I'm all in. You like having the control, but I know when you feel ignored, then you want me more. So I might get a little colder.
I mean, he might be turning. It's just all those cars are done. No, he was.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my god.
I'm gonna pull over because we have that footage.
Yeah.
Going to bed at 1 and getting up at 8 ain't so bad.
No. I went to bed at... 5225927XJ.
So, lots of, and this is when they started to become kind of famous. A halftime demonstration, Rams-Raiders game at the Coliseum with 85,000 people.
Idiot.
God damn it!
Wow.
Keyword, the new keyword for Gator National tickets, and if you missed it, driver.
Oh my god.
All I want is, I want some more milk.
I can get my milk there.
Yeah. What's your blinker on?
What the? It's just like you have it on this side.